folks, and welcome back to yet another video. As you can see, we're here at Freizeitpark Plohn, located near Leesburg. Looking forward to bringing this one to you. And folks, got some good news. Today you're going to be able to come on ride. Hope you enjoy this one. In the meantime folks, buckle up and take care. I hope you enjoy. As you can see, we're standing here in front of the new water coaster. Great addition to Freizeitpark Plohn. Looking forward to coming back over here at some point to give this one a go. Looks really good, and I look forward to bringing hopefully a POV on it in the future. Anyways folks, with that being said, let me show you around the rest of the park, and I hope you enjoy this one. It's time for me to say farewell for part of this journey today. Really enjoyed my time here at the park. It's a really nice park with a good lineup of rides. Anyways folks, if you're in the area, definitely get yourself down here. In the meantime, take care and I will catch you real soon.